Hi guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to use Adobe Firefly text to image. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open any preferred browser on your PC and search for Adobe Firefly. Then, open this web link and it will take you to the official Adobe website. Now, make sure you're signed into your Adobe account. After that, scroll down the page a little bit and you'll see the text to image feature. Here, all of the public image generations will be displayed on your screen. To start generating an image, all you need to do is type in the prompt you want in the text field. Once you've entered the prompt, click on the Generate button and wait for the process to complete. Once the generation is done, you'll see 4 different image options to choose from. If you don't like the generated images, you can click on the Generate button again to reset it and try a new set. When you find an image you like, click on it to select it. Then, click on the Edit feature at the top to further modify the generated image. To generate another image, you can start by changing the settings from the left side menu. You can adjust the model, aspect ratio, content type, upload a reference image, and select various effects. Once you've customized the settings, simply enter a new prompt and click on the Generate button again. So that's basically how you can use Adobe Firefly text to image. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.